Greetings everyone, it's Luandile here, as you guys know, the leader and the instructor of Manikwa School. Right now we're gonna be doing exercise 3.3. This is the textbook we're using, by the way, in case you did not know. And right now I'm gonna jump on straight to page 131. That's where, in fact, it's 132. That is where our exercise is located. Okay. I hope everyone can see right now. So I'm going to read through the question and then give out a solution, as always, you guys. Honestly speaking, I'm not quite sure at the moment how many solutions I'm going to have, but we will see. It will be based on the complexity of the problem. So we basically doing a linear algebra problem. We're solving a 2x2 linear equations, okay? A linear equation can be solved using Cramer's rule given in programming exercise 1.13. So we gotta write a program that prompts the user to enter A, B, C, D, E, and F and displays the results. If A, D minus BC is 0, report the equation has no solution. It seems like we're gonna have to go to exercise 1.13. That way we can better understand the problem. Honestly speaking, I'm not even sure on which page is exercise 113, but it seems like we didn't try that hard. It is right here. Okay, so here on page 1.13, on exercise 1.13, they gave us this. So let me just read it through. You can use Cramer's rule to solve the following 2x2 system of linear equation. Okay, so basically the values of A, B, C, D, E, and F that they were talking about on exercise 3.3, these are the values, right? So I don't know how are we gonna go about doing this, but let me just jump on to my IDE and then try to come up with something. We'll see along the way what we do. Okay, so it's exercise 3.3. Okay, and we gotta pick a location. It is right here, and I hit the OK button and the finish button. Okay, as you guys know, the very first thing for us to do will be, I've got to create a class first, will be to have variables to store values for A, B, C, D, E, and F. So it's exercise underscore 3 underscore. Oh, by the way, I'm taking this video from Howard College, UKZN in South Africa. It's Valentine's today. It's Valentine's Day today. That's what I wanted to say. Let me see. It's exercise 3.3. Let's just go B. We'll see if I can come up with another solution. Right now, let's just do that. Okay. So without any waste of time, let me try to give out the solution. What I'm gonna do today, though, I'm not gonna start by creating a scanner. As I mentioned, you guys, it's not like it's a must to start by creating a scanner. Okay, but what I can do is this. Let me start by system.out.print system.out.print, and I simply go enter A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, once I do that, I'll simply then create a scanner. Now what I'm trying to point out to you guys is that it is not a must to always start by creating a scanner. A scanner variable is just like any other variable, so you can do whatever you do with variables basically. I don't want to go deeper on that because right now we haven't done objects, so I don't want to confuse you guys. So of course we gotta close our scanner. Let me leave a line there. Just go create a scanner, do read user input. What I didn't do is to simply go double A. I will declare and initialize my variables in one line. Basically what we're doing here, we capture user input. We're basically capturing user input. Okay, so another thing we do, we declare A, we initialize it using our scanner. Likewise for C, scanner dot next double BCDE. That's A B C D, of course. Scanner double E scanner dot next double F. It's scanner dot next double. Okay, what is it we then do? Again, in case you don't know why am I creating those variables, these are the variables over here. So we've got ax plus by equals to E, and cx plus dy equals to f. And we can get x from that and y from that. Okay, so what we then do once we do that, we'll be to calculate. Again, I want to comment out this: calculate the denominator of x and y. This is the denominator I'm talking about right over here. You see it's AD minus BC. This is the variable we will use to determine whether or not we do have a solution. Okay, denominator. Okay, I'll simply go, it's gonna be A times D minus B times C, just like that. Okay, once we do that, it is time we jump on to our conditional statements, right? We just say if denominator is equals to 0, what is it we do in that case? We simply go system.out.print. We were told that there's no solution in that case. We were told to display the equation has no solution, right? It seems like we have only one thing to display. Usually I don't put curly braces, but I am gonna put them right now. But usually I don't put them whenever I'm only having one line inside my curly braces. Okay, so what if our denominator is not 0? This is the part that's gonna execute. Whatever I'm about to put in here will execute in case my denominator is not 0. Okay, and what is that? I'll simply declare x numerator, not x number. X numerator will simply be that ET minus BF, and Y numerator will be that AF minus EC. So again, I'll simply go X why can I spell numerator? Okay, I'll simply, as you guys seen, it's E multiplied by D minus B multiplied by F. So that's my X numerator. Now I need my Y numerator. Why am I only having variables for numerators for both X and Y? Why don't you have variables for denominators of X and Y? That's my question, and I hope everyone knows the answer to that. And that is, we've already have this variable called denominator, so there would be absolutely no need. There's absolutely no need for us to have a denominator that will hold those two variables. Undo a denominator for X and the denominator for 1. Since it is one and the same, we'll simply store the denominator on this variable called denominator. Again, just so you know, folks, I'm taking this. I'm actually close to a LAN here in Shepstone building at Howard College. So since I'm next to a LAN, you might hear a student passing in. Obviously, they would be talking as they pass by. Okay, enough with words. Now it's time for us to continue. What I'll simply do, I'll calculate the value of X, and that's gonna be given by numerator divided by denominator. It will be given by X numerator divided by denominator. Okay, X will be given by X numerator divided by denominator. Likewise for Y, it will be given by Y numerator divided by denominator. Okay, now we've got values for both X and Y. What else we want to do? We want to display them. So system.out.print, we'll simply go X is X, then we concatenate that with, and Y is, we'll simply put a Y. Right, that should be it for this tutorial. I don't know, perhaps you've got some suggestion, oh god, why can I pronounce that? Perhaps you've got some suggestions on this solution, so please, if you do, feel free to let me know. What I'm gonna do at the moment though is to simply hit the run button and try to enter different numbers. You know what, let's head straight to our question and try to put the exact numbers they decided to put over here. As you guys can see, I'm copying this user inputs over here, and I want to paste it on my IDE so that you guys Let's see, what is it we have? It seems like we have the exact number, the exact output they got. So again, let's try this one here. The equation has no solution. The same thing they got over here on our sample run. That should be it for this tutorial, you guys. Again, I want people to understand that my solutions are not the best solutions one can get, but I try the best to show you guys different mistakes, or rather different things one can do, right? However, as you guys know, when it comes to programming, we've got a good solution, a better solution, and also a best solution. Another thing that perhaps you might want to do on this program, perhaps I'm going to talk about that on my next video. Let me just wrap this one up. Cheers, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. I'm gone.